going back to our MultiPart config page, now is where we're going to start looking at this particular configuration section here, which is probably the bulk of what we need to talk about today. So as I mentioned, this is where a lot of the configuration of the MultiPart is, and it's probably what puts quite a few people off in terms of specifying the details of it. But once you get your head around the structure of it, it's actually quite straightforward. And I've got a little tool I want to show you in a moment, which we've created on a separate page, which will assist you with doing this. But just to explain the structure of this so you understand, what this is doing is allowing you to specify different parts, well, primarily allowing you to specify different parts in your upload screen. So remember where we had 3 different upload areas for different parts of our sample brochure? You would specify these as different parts within here. Those parts each have their own specification, in which is some of it's completed within the part configuration, and then some of it is also completed within the input items. So this allows you to specify certain information related to the parts that you have specified. So to clarify what I mean by parts, let's say with our brochure example, we might have a part which is our front cover. That's one part. We have a second part, which is our internal content. And we have a third part, which is our back cover. When we're actually specifying the part configuration, let me see if I can reposition my screen a little bit better here. Give it some context. So when we're specifying the part section of our config, that is where we get one of these sections here, an area to upload. Our input items, that is allowing us to specify information like how many pages are we allowing them to upload? Is there names and descriptions we want to associate with that? That kind of information. But they are tied in with the parts that we've created. And then the third main section in here is the order. So this is basically just specifying the order in which the parts you've specified are going to be utilized. So basically, it will control how they appear in here for one, but it will also allow us to confirm how they're going to be combined together into one PDF. So if you've got front cover, content, and back cover, you want to make sure that they're combined in the correct order. Otherwise, it's going to be a completely useless output PDF. So that's what this section does.